Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to review or unbox a device which is used for viewing TV on computer and mobile devices. So this is a device Easy Capture, as you can see, Easy Cap or Easy Capture. So basically it converts RVG or your composite output of TV to USB input. So we will see how it works. So this is the packing and you can see the specifications. So here are the specifications. So we have S video and audio input and video input and USB 2.0, a port for output. So we are going to unbox it. So we are going to open and see what are the contents in this packing. So we have this Easy Capture device. So as you can see, it has a USB port for plugging into USB port of computer. So you can see, and here we have the video port and audio input, and we have S video input. So these are the input cables, and we have a USB extension for connecting to this Easy Capture device, and we have some we have a CD that contains the software installation for this Easy Capture device, and we have this manual how it works. So in this manual we have given all about all the things, and here also we have given the key for installing the application. So you need both these things for installing the application. So we have this Easy Capture device. So we are going to show you how it works. So we have connected TV, and we will show the input. So we are going to connect the audio to audio input of the Easy Capture, and this is also the audio to, and this is the video input. So we have connected all these things. Now we are going to plug this in our laptop. So we have plugged this. So you can see a light has plugged. So now we are going to play how the TV works. So the software which is given by the CD in the device is not so good. So we have installed another application which is known as Bandicam. So you can download it free from the Google and install it in your computer. So we are going to show you the Bandicam application. So here we have, so how it shows the interface, you can see. So we are going to show you what the TV is showing. So we have this TV is we have connected the TV, and we are going to see how it works. So you have to click on the option of HDMI. So device recording HDMI, you have to click on this option. So when you click on this, you will be able to see the okay, you can see it. We will not going to show you the full okay. So this is how it looks. You can get it to full screen. We are not going to show the logo because of the copyright claims. So we have changed the channel. As you can see, we have changed the channel. So now we are going to change to another channel. So as you can see how it works. So you can see how it works, different channels on different channels. So you can set all these things. So this is how it works. Now we are going to show you how this works in our tablet. So we are going to remove it and plug in our tablet. So here we have a tablet, as you can see. So here is the tablet. So for this to connect with the easy capture device, you need to use a OTG cable. So here we have an OTG cable. We are going to connect with the easy capture device. So we have connected this. Now we are going to plug in the USB port of the tablet. So we have plugged it. Now we have the same application here also. So you can click on the HDMI option. You can see connecting it. So we are going to full screen it and change the channel. So you can see how clear it showing. So you can see here how it works. So we are not going to show you due to the copy mark and bookmark issues. So here is the whole thing. So you can adjust the thing a bit from the settings. So when you click on HDMI option, you have the setting things here. You can see you have to select the device AV to USB 2.0 and use custom audio option, microphone to USB. You have to click this OK, and your screen resolution should be, aspect ratio should be 16:9. So these are the things you need to keep in mind. So we are going to exit it now, and now we are going to show you how it works in the mobile device. So here we have our mobile device. We are also going to show you how it works in mobile. So we have this. We are going to use the live camera 5 application for this. So you again need to have a OTG and OTG plugin for this. So we are going to plug in an OTG, and we are going to plug in the mobile device. So after we have plugged in, we are going to launch. As you can see there, there is an option. So we are going to start this application. So it takes a little bit to start the application. So you have to click on camera and start. So okay, you have to click on start now. So we have this. There is some issue. I think we are again going to click OK and click start. So you want to use it, you have to. Okay, so you can now see how TV is working. So for audio to be used, you have to click the option audio monitoring. So this. So you can use audio options from here. So we are going to change the channel now. So here you can see channels. So the quality is very good, as you can see. So this is how it works. Hope you have find review. We are going to tell you that the software which is provided by the easy capture device is not so good. So this is not so good. It will not provide you the full screen view and other options. You have to use other software. So you can use the software Bandicam for your laptop or tab, and you can use camera 5 for your mobile device. So how was our review? You can tell us in the comment section, and do subscribe to our channel for latest videos and like our video. And you can use this software for your laptop. You can see Bandicam. This is Bandicam. So this is a free software, you can use it. Do like our video and tell us what do you think about this device. So if you want to buy this device, you can find the link below in our description. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.